Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to organize listings in Etsy. A crucial step in making your shop more discoverable and user-friendly. Organizing your listings effectively can help you increase sales, reduce customer confusion, and save time in the long run. First, let's start with the basics. In Etsy, listings are the individual items you sell in your shop. To organize them, you need to understand the different types of listings, including active, draft, and expired listings. Active listings are the ones that are currently live and available for purchase, while draft listings are incomplete or not yet published. Expired listings are those that have ended and are no longer available for sale. To organize your listings, start by logging into your Etsy account and navigating to the Shop Manager section. From there, click on the Listings tab, where you will see a list of all your active, draft, and expired listings. You can filter this list by using the search bar at the top of the page or by selecting specific categories, such as active or draft. Next, let's talk about sections. A powerful tool for organizing your listings. Sections allow you to group related listings together, making it easier for customers to find what they are looking for. To create a new section, click on the Add Section button and give it a descriptive name, such as jewelry or home decor. You can then add listings to this section by clicking on the three dots next to each listing and selecting the section you want to add it to. Another way to organize your listings is by using tags and categories. Tags are keywords that describe your listings, while categories are broader groups of related listings. To add tags and categories to your listings, click on the Edit button next to each listing and scroll down to the Tags and Categories section. Here, you can add relevant keywords and select the appropriate categories for each listing. Finally, let's talk about best practices for organizing your listings. It's essential to keep your listings up to date and accurate, including high-quality photos and detailed descriptions. You should also regularly review and update your sections, tags, and categories to ensure they are still relevant and effective. Additionally, consider using Etsy's built-in tools, such as the Listing Variations feature, to offer different options and variations of your products. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a well-organized and user-friendly shop that attracts and retains customers. Remember, organizing your listings is an ongoing process that requires regular maintenance and updates. With practice and patience, you can master the art of organizing your listings and take your Etsy shop to the next level.